Hi, I'm Johnny,
I'm Melanie.
and today we're going to be talking about how we refinished our kitchen cabinets, specifically in our Nook, which used to be kind of a dark cave with some strange linoleum covering, and we've been refinishing for 2 years now.
Almost 3.
Almost 3 years, but the actual cabinet color we just refinished, and it was quite a process. So we have a kind of a how-to for you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Good morning. Don't go sleep. Start every day with Bambi going out first. Kind of check it out.
She's in charge of everything.
So that's the original photo and how it looked back then. We're deep in winter here in the upper northeast, so it's usually when I'm working out in the barn, it's probably about 10 degrees.
So here you can see the cabinets as they were. They're real dark. They had these dated rose inlays.
Big part of starting all this is just prepping the surfaces that you're going to be using. Take all the hinges off, everything. A lot of people tend to paint over the hinges. We always like to keep those nice and clean. Those inlays are actually just little pieces glued in, so you can see these pop right out with little to no problem.
Always wear your mask.
When you're sanding here, it's not to get it down to the bare wood. I just really want to just break off that varnish on the very top. And spackle just to clean up all the little gaps between where we glued it in. Get it nice and flat. Bambi inspecting our work.
I did a lot of research on paint for cabinets because you can really mess up by accident if you get the wrong paint. I found the Kilz premium primer was kind of a go-to for a lot of contractors. It just adheres to any surface, and I only really did 1, maybe 2 coats. You just need enough for the final paint to really stick to. So for our main paint, I found a Alkyd semi-gloss. Again, I did a lot of research, and this was compatible with the Kilz primer. It finishes in this really nice, glossy, durable finish, and it's just, you can tell it'll be easy to wipe off. It just feels really nice and professional. Opening a window. It was about 20 degrees when I was doing this, so we didn't, but when we do the rest of the kitchen, I plan to do it outside.
So there you go. You can see how bright already it is just with the change of those colors.
It brightened up the whole Nook in such an amazing way. I can't even explain how dark this kitchen was, and still is in some ways, but we're getting there.
So here we are in our finished Nook. So excited to have it done. And as you can see, here's the...
Look at that. Boink. We will eventually get different handles.
Yeah, so that was a really fun project. We got it done in, I guess, a few days after we started planning it, and I'm excited for the next one.
Yeah, we have more projects coming up, so stay tuned.